No, no, no!
Present day. Well, night 2. This job is maybe. Hopefully they found one today. Well, there's the phone again. Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. They were like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like over the speakers. Dude, that makes it look legit, man. I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe it. We found one, a real one. And also, I found this great audio. You can use that to avoid that animatronic only in the next camera that it's in. So, if you know what I mean, man. So, he's at like Cam 9, the dark room. And yeah, there was a dark room. And, yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. Yeah, talk to you later. Alright, well, the Vinicius audio training audio? Okay, and they found one! Great, alright. Where is that thing? Alright.
Where am I? Oh, I'm at another place. This looks like a horror place. A place where I would love to be at. But wait, what's going on? Why am I here?
Is that what they found? Oh my god, he looks... Oh my god!
Well. Isn't there a security guard? Looks like we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I get to have fun to kill him.
Oh man. Ah! What happened to the camera? Happened, but... Wait a minute, I had a video error. Okay, fix that. Beep. 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 Alright, there we go. Alright, let's go ahead and check some more cameras. Oh no, he's gone! Oh, there he is. I'll play the audio. Beep.
Wait, whoa, what was that?
Haha, you don't even know there's actually a child in here. Let's just check some more cameras.
Well, there's no one here. That stupid security guard's probably messing with me. Yeah, I'll teach him.
Ah! Wait a minute. Who are you? Oh no, get out of the way, you stupid thing! Who even are you? Oh no! What? Hello, I'm the fabulous balloon pig, and I am here to kill you. Oh, what do you mean by that? What? Please don't hurt me. Huh? It's gone. Where'd it go? At least I'm alive. Oh, I gotta see where he is. What happened? Anywhere? Let's just fix it anyway. Boop. 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 Okay, there we go. What is that?
I gotta find a way to get into his office. The vents!
Okay, nothing's going bad. The equipment is working well. Okay. Wait a minute. What's that? What's this button? Map toggle? The vents. Maybe someone's in the vents. Oh crap, he is in the vents. What do I do? Oh wait, tab here. Double tap to steal the vent. Seal it!
Oh The security guard blocked the vents. Or sealed it. Ah! Who cares? Who cares what word you use?
Wow, that vent actually works. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and check some more cameras. Oh no, I can see him! I can see him! He's right there! Wait, he's gone. Oh no, no.
I'm Phantom Red,
Oh.
and welcome to Redbird's Fright,
Oh,
the horror attraction.
Redbird's Fright, I already know this
Enjoy
place.
your stay forever. But don't
No.
go too far,
No.
or you might find yourself in a little bit of trouble. A lot of trouble.
No! No. Oh, huh? It's gone. Another one's gone. Are these like ghosts that actually not kill you? Oh no.
Hello,
Oh no!
Redguard.
Even worse. You?
We meet at last. Now we get to meet. You got full distractions, I can sense. I don't know how I can do that, but still. Now I will have fun trying to kill you.
No.
And now it's time to die.
No! Yes, I did it. 6 a.m. Yes.